Hi, I'm Rustom Mody from Sun Pharma. It has been many years since I have never been to a good major conference and workshop like this. And having to attend something like this after such a long time was really a wonderful experience. I mean, having an event like this and organizing it so very well, I must give full credit to Ratnesh and Dr. Jain for even having thought of this, and they have done it so perfectly that all different parties have come on a same platform. It could be students, it could be industry professionals, it would be regulators, it would be exhibitors. I mean, so there was a gamut of all different kind of functions that came together. And we had some wonderful panel sessions where lots of good questions were asked. I really hope that such a kind of events keep happening from time to time. And this would be the right kind of way for students to pick up on this particular area. And I'm sure that would encourage more participants to come in the future times. I thank the organizers and I wish such events to continue to happen in future.